Okay, Briggs and Stratton 5.5. Uh, Basically, this is power washer. Now, you must have seen many videos about how to do the servicing for no start. You got you have to open your plug, which I already did here. Let me see if I can find in this mess here. The plug is open right here, and as you can see, this plug is pretty filthy, but now this is not the culprit. You can always clean it, wash it with WD-40 or petrol or diesel or whatnot, and do a use a sandpaper around to clean it. That's a regular step. Okay, high level thing. After cleaning your carburetor, I took it out right here. I will take care of it. I'm going to give a good bath to my gas tank, hopefully tomorrow. Now, these are very regular things for servicing. Clean the car, take care of your old gasoline, and the issue sometime it happened, which is the next level, which really I want to share. These pins, once it gets in here, make sure that they are working properly and they're doing their job. Right now I took some of the part, but the one main thing here, you see this wire. I don't know what, but I think it is a kill wire. If it doesn't fit in properly, this electric wire, I wish I would have some light. It has to be plugged in properly, and it is attached somewhere right here. As you can see, this is attached. If it's not attached, you will not have this machine running. I'll try to make a video later on, but I thought I should share this. If you have no start after taking care of the manual, regular stuff about servicing, which include your spark plug. If you change it, that's good. If you don't want to change it, you can clean it and make sure you get a spark. You take care of your fuel as well, carb as well. These are the regular stuff. Oil is there. But if you don't have a start still after doing all this, go underneath there. You'll find this wire. If it is unplugged, good luck, you're not getting it. Now these springs, what it does, if they're old, you might as well change it. They're cheap. These are some of the things which hard to find online solution.